You know what's the absolute worst? It's a gardening disappointment that hits hard, biting into a cucumber you grew yourself, and it's so bitter you can't even enjoy it. It completely ruins the experience. It's like all your hard work was for nothing. So, what actually causes that bitter taste? What makes a seemingly perfect cucumber turn so unpleasant? Let's dive into the science behind it. I've been there, and trust me, it's usually a clue that your cucumber plant is stressed out. It's the plant's way of telling you something is wrong. And more often than not, that stress starts in the soil. The foundation of your garden is crucial for healthy, happy plants. Let's break it down. We'll explore the common culprits behind bitter cucumbers. Reason number 1. Uneven moisture. Consistent watering is key to cucumber success. Cucumbers really need consistently moist soil. They are thirsty plants that thrive with regular hydration. If you let your soil dry out between waterings and then hit it with a flood, the plant basically freaks out. It's a shock to the system that can have lasting consequences. That triggers something called cucurbitacins, which are the compounds that make cucumbers taste bitter. These compounds are naturally present, but stress amplifies their production. The fix? What can you do to prevent this bitterness from happening? Mulch well and water deeply and consistently. This helps maintain even soil moisture and reduces plant stress. Don't let them dry out and don't drown them all at once. Find that sweet spot of consistent moisture. Next up, reason number 2, poor soil nutrition. Healthy soil equals healthy cucumbers. If your soil is low on potassium or magnesium, your cucumber plant is going to stress out. These nutrients are vital for proper growth and fruit development. And guess what? Stressed plants don't produce the best tasting fruit. That stress leads to bitter fruit. It's a direct consequence of nutrient deficiencies. I like to add a compost-rich top layer, or sometimes I'll water with a bit of diluted seaweed extract. These are great ways to provide a gentle nutrient boost. Both of these gently boost those minerals and keep the plant happy. Happy plants produce delicious cucumbers. Reason number 3, overcrowding or root competition. Give your cucumbers room to breathe and thrive. If you've got cucumbers packed too close, or growing right next to other heavy feeders like squash or tomatoes, they're all fighting for the same nutrients and water. This competition can lead to stressed and bitter cucumbers. That stress shows up in your cucumbers big time. You'll notice the difference in taste and quality. Give your cucumber vines plenty of space and their own soil zone if you can. Proper spacing promotes healthy growth and reduces competition. Trust me, they'll thank you for it. You'll be rewarded with delicious, non-bitter cucumbers. And here's a bonus tip. Harvest early and often. Don't wait too long to pick your cucumbers. Overripe cucumbers, especially during a heat wave, are way more likely to turn bitter. The heat exacerbates the production of those bitter compounds. So, keep an eye on them and pick them while they're still young and crisp. You'll enjoy a much better flavor and texture. To sum it all up, fix your soil, keep things consistent, and your cucumbers are going to taste sweeter every single time. With a little care and attention, you can consistently grow delicious cucumbers. Nothing beats that first crisp, juicy bite from a cucumber you grew yourself, and with a few tweaks, you'll never have to worry about bitterness again. You'll be enjoying sweet, refreshing cucumbers all season long.